The Justice Department is said to be investigating possible insider trading by top executives at credit firm Equifax.
Equifax has been under intense scrutiny for nearly 2 weeks since disclosing a breach, exposing millions to identity theft, a breach which went unnoticed for more than a month. 3 executives sold nearly $2 million worth of company stock in the days after the breach was discovered, but before it was disclosed to the public. The stock tanked. Equifax insists its executives didn't know about the breach at the time they made those sales. As for that breach, what can you do if you're worried your credit is at risk? Well, there is one fairly simple thing some consumers are doing.
And you can do it from home, but it might not be right for you. Fox 4's Pat McGonigal explains how to freeze your credit reports. Pat?
Yeah, that's right, guys. Now, if you are planning on buying like a car or a house in the near future, freezing your credit report's probably not the best plan for you because lenders wouldn't be able to access your credit report. But it also means that hackers couldn't open a new line of credit with your stolen information. Now, the other thing to consider, freezing your credit report isn't expensive, but it's not free. Now, all 3 of the major credit reporting agencies, TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, will allow you to freeze your credit report. Fox 4 checked on the prices for you. It's $5 to freeze that report if you live in Kansas. It's $10 if you live in Missouri. So for a married couple in Missouri, that works out to about $60 to freeze all of those reports. So it can get a little pricey, but some experts say it could be worth it.
But also, you know, the big option, and people have to make this choice on their own, is to freeze their credit. If they know they're not opening any new accounts, if they believe there's no need for anyone to legitimately run a credit check on them, they can just freeze their credit and protect themselves in that way.
Now, following that massive data breach at Equifax, that company has temporarily waived the fee to freeze your credit report, but there could also be a small fee when you have to release the freeze. And on Friday, there's this. Massachusetts Senator Liz Warren introduced a bill to make it free to freeze your credit all the time. We'll keep you posted on whether or not that gets signed into law. Pat McGonigal, Fox 4 News, working.